Hi everyone, this is Lalitya.
This is Jasmine.
Welcome to ljfun.
Chocolate.
Today I am unboxing my birthday gifts. The first gift is about my toy makeup doll set. This is a little beauty set. This is vocal for local. The another gift is Whimsy makeup set. This gift is given by my friend Avni. I like this gift so much. We can put the puzzles of fruits, animals, and lot. We can color the pictures like this. Inside it will be like this. We can put the puzzles and color the pictures. There are 4 puzzles and 4 cards. These are the puzzles of it. I said animals and fruits. There are birds and transport also. Let's go to the another gift. This is cold and puzzles color. These are from Yes Toys, fun to play anytime, anywhere. Let's go to next gift. Next gift is the vocal for local. This is the Barbie doll makeup set toy. This is little beauty set. This is given by my grandparents. I love this gift so much. Let's open and see what will be inside. This is a luggage. This is the gift. We can open it and see what will be. It looks like this. Let's see what will be inside this luggage or toy. Oh, I think these are the stickers. See what a beautiful stickers. Oh my God, how many pieces are there? See, I like this toy. Let's all try this to make the real toy.
Yeah.
Let's remove all the parts carefully. This is the mirror of the doll.
On the back, she showed me. Let's flip it.
This is the comb. This is the hair. Oh. This is lipsticks and rings. Look at this. Next is the perfume. Next is the mirror support.
Yeah.
See, next is the necklace. I like it so much. This is the soap. I don't know what is this. Let's see how to do it. I put this like this. Now I will give the support to this doll as this is shown in the picture how to do it.
Yeah. I will flip it this one. Let's see.
Let's put it in this thing.
Wait.
We will turn this like this again. They are doing. First we have to do this like this and remove it. Then another one should be like this. We have to remove it. Now the another magic is
This is remove.
కూడా ఫ్రెష్ చేసి వంట ఒకసారి లాగా మళ్ళీ కానీ
see when we do like this it should be like this. We have to hold the
దాన్ని నొక్కాల్సింది లేదమ్మా దాని కింద కళ్ళలో
is this.
Turn this one.
First we have to put this to give the support to this luggage because it is so heavy. Let's see how it will be. See, when we put it like this, it looks like this. Now, it looks like a dressing table. Let's put the all parts. See, we have to open it. First, we have to First, we have to put the mirror. We can put the batteries after. This is the mirror of the doll. First, we have to put this like this over here. Next, this over here. Next, this like this. Next, it is like this. We can turn it where we want. See, we can look in this mirror. Next is the support. Now we have to put this like this. See, children,
This is the air eyes.
now these are
This.
some nail polish, I think. I will put them where we want. These are another lipstick. There are 3 and 2 lip balms. One is a lipstick. And these are
This is
these are the rings.
He's not the real one. It's please don't say it.
These are the bangles. There are 2 bangles and 1 chain. See, the 2 bangles and 1 chain.
This is too much.
These are the beads. Do you know what are these made of? They are made of seeds.
This is too much. This is keep it here.
This is a comber that we can comb. This is not a real but a toy. Next is the
first you. This is keep it here.
we can put the stickers to it. Now I will put the
This is the wrong. I am keep it on
this is like this. Now the one more is this sticker. See, this is so beautiful. See friends, it is looking like real thing. After pasting stickers, we have We have put the batteries to the light as it is lighting and sounding. Now the after some time it offs. Now I will make up by myself. Now I will show Whimsy makeup products. It is given by my sisters and brothers. Let's open it. This is the card. This is a hairband. This is. I don't know what it is. Let's open it and see. This is lip and cheek tinted balm. Pink P with me. This is a lip balm. I love it. Let's put on my lip. Yum. I will put on my hair. This all on my cheeks also. It is nice. Love it. It is very smooth. What are these? I know what is this, but I will try. I will put my lip. It is very nice. See how beautiful it is. See, it is like a real face. Now let's go to now I will go to next. What is this? This is a foundation. Let's see. Little of it. Let's see. See, it's shining. See, it is shining. My hand is so shiny. seeing it is very white. So it is. Now I will rub with this. Wow. It is very. I will spread it. Okay, it is very shiny in my hand. Very shiny. Now what is this? Nail accessory. Oh, this is the nail stickers. I love it. See the beautiful stickers. See, these are the instructions that we have. They have. I love it. Next is this. What is this? Oh, these are the shining cell remote slowly. I'll put it some. Now I will keep it. Wow! Now what is this last product? Let's see what is this. It is not opening. What is this? Oh, this is a lip gloss we can keep to our lips. Let's see if my lips will shine. Oh, wow, they are shining, I think. This cake so much. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in another video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.